Welcome, today in front of me Nokia G11 and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter, and now I'll set the maximum mode here. We can see, and this mode means that when the decibel meter will reach the highest volume of our device speaker here, so the value on this display then will change. So let's start. So as we can see, our device reached 114 decibels. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.